Hi, my name is Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at the Schaumburg Township District Library. And this is the Quaranteened Cooking Show. Today, we're going to be making marshmallow cereal treats, commonly referred to as Rice Krispie treats, but you don't need just Rice Krispies to make this recipe. In fact, we're going to be making ours with a little bit of pride for June, and we're going to use Captain Crunch and Fruity Pebbles. Actually, this is the generic ones, which work way better because those bags are bigger, cheaper, and they come with resealable things so they never get stale. Best of all worlds. So here we go. All we need is cereal, butter, marshmallows. Done. We're going to just start by adding the marshmallows and your butter. And once again, to make things easy, we're just going to stick this in the microwave. You're ultimately going to do this for about 3 minutes, so put it on for 3, and then after 2, start stirring. Ah, look at this. So, just going to give this a good stir. And put it right back in the microwave. What you're going to ultimately go for is almost like a liquid mixture, which we are completely not there yet. Alright, so now keep an eye on it. And keep stirring as we go. It's alive! You fuck. Yeah, look how that's all reducing down. Yeah, it's gonna be messy too. Alright, 3 minutes is up. Looks absolutely disgusting. Let's give it a spin. Okay, that's the consistency we're looking for. And now we're gonna add the cereal. Captain Crunch to destroy the roof of your mouth, and a little bit of Fruity Pebbles for prep. Mix them all up. Alright, we're going to set that mess aside, and you're going to grab your tray. I made a smaller batch, though a recipe that is in the link is for a 13 by 9 inch tray. This is 8 by 8. Our old friend cooking spray. Grease everything up. And then grab a new spatula. And you're going to want to grease the front and back of that as well. Okay? So we're going to add everything to the tray. Alright, now here's where the grease spatula comes in handy. Alright, pat everything down into the tray. Now, we didn't do anything fancy this time, except for use different types of cereal. But you can add, right after you mixed in the cereal, you can add chocolate chips or anything else. Or right after you take the marshmallow for the last time out of the microwave, you can add spices like cardamom is a really good one, and other sweet sort of spices. Cinnamon. But yeah, here we go, guys. And then you're just going to let these cool to set. And there you have it. Your Pride marshmallow cereal treats. Guys, have a great month of June, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for joining me.